Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we'll be making heart-shaped prawn cutlets. It's a super easy and tasty snack item. These are the simple ingredients required for marinating the prawns. Let's take 8 big tiger prawns. Clean the shells of the prawns, leaving the tail intact. Cut the head carefully and then slit it from the middle, just like this. Be careful, do not cut the prawn into halves. Once slit, try to open the prawn such that it looks like a butterfly. Now hammer it carefully using a stack hammer to give it a flat shape. Repeat the same process for all the prawns. Yes, the main job is done. Now take a handful of coriander leaves and a small onion and make a paste out of it. Add the prawns to the paste one by one. Now add half teaspoon of ginger paste and half teaspoon of garlic paste. For a little flavor, add half teaspoon of red chili powder. Add salt as per your taste. Mix them all together, and while we do that, you go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Marinate the prawns for 30 minutes. Quickly take a look at the simple ingredients required for the coating. Now for the coating, break an egg and beat it. Take one marinated prawn and place it on the biscuit crumbs. Dip it in the egg carefully and coat it evenly with the crumbs again. We are giving it a double coating to make it super crunchy. Repeat the same process for all the prawns and make sure you do it carefully such that you get a proper shape. Give it a heart-like shape like this using your hand and the blunt end of a knife. A little bit of practice is required to make it perfect. They should look somewhat like this. Let's fry the cutlets now. In a wok, add 1 cup of oil. Heat the oil properly and add the cutlets one by one. Fry them on both sides till they are golden brown in color. Yes, they are absolutely ready now. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.